Hi all, showcasing one more lovely pure Mysore crepe silk saree having horizontal zari lines pattern. More lovely shades allide. One by one open ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. This is the first color. Lovely peach color alli you can see rich zari lines ide all over the body with embossing. You can see mango embossing all over the body like this. ತುಂಬಾ beautiful ಆಗಿದೆ. Comes with rich pallu like this. Even on the pallu there is embossing. ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Very different design and it is paired with plain blouse ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ. Very beautiful.